Yesterday myself, Russell Owen, Tyson Owen and Dad all polled in the car, and we went over to Broadford for the Victorian Dirt Track Titles, which are held by the Harley Club of Victoria. It was a great day, so we've got plenty of footage of that. Further on in the video, we've got an update on the Ian McLeod Velo. We dropped that off over at Broadford. Ian met us over there and he had a quick ride in the car park and he's very happy. So I've got a couple of photos of Ian standing next to his bike. Don't forget about the Llanelly swap meet. That's coming up. There's more details further in the video, so if you want to skip through to that, you can. And we're going to have an update on the BSA slider. I actually did a little bit of work on that, so I can move it around a bit easier in the workshop. So let's have a look.
Winter's a pretty grey here, it just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of grey. I get so down, I just can't find my life. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. getting harder. You know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Chase these bills away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Give me a good high. Chase these bills away. About yesterday.
Clear at the front, got this one from the station, 2 wheels, W. Top or side all the way through, 97.
About yesterday.
Right, I've told you guys a million times we're going to be at Llanelly. Make sure you're there. First weekend of December. It's a great motorcycle only swap meet. You can get meals, have a shower, you can stay. Everything's there that you need. So we'll see you there.
City of Grey, I get so down, I just can't find my life. Get so down, I just gotta get through this now.
So if you guys have been following us, you know that we've been working on Ian's bike over the last few months. My father Alan's done a brilliant job. It's all documented, it's all on video, so if there's any tips and tricks that you need, there is a video there. It's probably over an hour long of just all the stuff that we've done on that engine. So it's worth a look, so get on board. And Ian was very happy with his bike, and I can't wait to get our 350 Velo out next to his and do a few laps.
So give me a good high chase these blues away. In this city of gray, I get so down, I just can't find my life.
Righto, so the plan for today is to get the BSA back on its wheels. We'll get the front end back in it, we'll get the front wheel in. This is a little seat I got from the Bendigo swap meet to replace the old seat. So I don't think we'll get that on, but we just need it back on its wheels so I can actually get some more work done. So we need to get it rolling today, so then I can clean the workshop and get back into the 350 Velo. Might drop this out the old man's, and there's the front end of that there. Might drop it out the old man's and just get out of the road for the minute so I can concentrate on some other stuff that we really need to get done. So let's get on with it.
Chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday.
Righto, so we're just going to fit this sleeve into the tube here. This will be enough so we can roll it around. Later on I'll reboard this and I'll put another metal sleeve inside the alloy, because that's what the Hagon's got, seems to work very well and doesn't wear. So we'll fit this in here today. And we'll have to tap it in. It'll go down to a certain extent. Tap it in the last bit. Actually, that fits quite well. So what we'll do now is we'll put in the H section. I've got to take the fork legs out of that and do a little bit of work on those, but we'll get on with that now. Let's see if we can get this to just sit in for the minute. Hopefully I've done it all right. Yep. It's an old bolt here I found for the job. Give her a tap. There she goes. Beautiful. I'll have to trim some off the bottom of that bolt, but that's enough to get us out of trouble at the minute. That's fantastic. So we'll just leave that sit there. Now we'll work on the front axle, and then we'll get some bars and stuff on it, and we've got an old Jawa clamp there that I found. It's got one little lug busted off. It would be enough to lock it together so we can move it around. And
I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. And times are getting harder. You know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. Get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high. chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday.
If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.